Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing another subscription box or subscription bag unboxing. This is the Face Sugar unboxing. This is my second month of receiving this box. I do pay for it with my own money, but I do have a link, so if you want to get $1 off your first box, definitely check it out, definitely use it. I'm excited to see what this box, or this month's bag, whatever, entails, because last month it was more of like the products I wasn't really sure of, I didn't really know of, so let's just see what this box came with this month. So the first thing in the box is this brush. I'm going to open this out of this bag. This is the Scone brow definer, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a really long bristled brow definer. It's pretty small, so I think it would work for that. In my opinion, I'd probably use it to like put dark eyeliner or eyeshadow like right up against my tight line or something, but so this is a brush. It feels pretty stiff, so it's not going to move too much, which is nice, because sometimes like the brushes are just so flimsy that you do it and it's not a straight line. It doesn't look very like crisp. The next thing in here is this Every Glow Girl and Glow Boy's fave Glow by Glory semi-matte liquid lipstick. So let's go ahead and open this. On the box it says it's cruelty free, so that's awesome. It's always a plus to have a brand that is. So this is like how my bottle came. It's kind of weird. Oh, that's a little weird in my opinion, but we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swatch it for you, just right on my hand right here, and just one swipe, and that's what it looks like. The color is really pretty, so I'm gonna let this dry while we look at the eyeshadow palette, and we'll come back and see what the finish is, if it dries down super matte or what, and I'll get back to you on the end of this. This is in the shade Sugar Dumpling. Next is this Mellow Treasure Chest eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like on the back. It has the ingredients, the colors, and yeah, what the palette looks like on the inside. So I'm going to take it out of the sleeve. How the heck am I supposed to get it out of here? Well, this is happening. We're completely ripping the entire package because it doesn't want to come out of here. Which kind of sucks, because if you want to keep this protective sleeve over, you can't. So this is what the palette looks like. It's like really shiny and shimmery, but it's like a smooth shimmer. Like I cannot feel any like bits of glitter on here, which is awesome. So, ooh, this is pretty. It comes with this slip. I'm just going to take that off, and this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch all of the 4 mattes, because it's 4 mattes down here, like these 2 or these 4 right here are mattes, and then the rest of them are all shimmers. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all the mattes and see what those feel like, look like, swatch like, and I'm just going to do that right on my arm. Okay. So those swatch pretty good. These 2 are so light that you can hardly see them, but they seem to swatch like decently okay. I'm just going to swatch like 1 of, or 2 of these. I'll swatch the lightest one and then also the darkest one, and we'll see how these look on the skin swatched. So that looks pretty shiny, pretty nice. And then like that. So the shimmers don't look like super metallic, and I'm definitely going to have to try it out and like play with it and see what look I can kind of come up with this. I wish there were just a few more mattes, because sometimes it's hard to create a look with so many shimmer colors. Like there's a yellow in here, like it's kind of hard to create a look when you only have a select few of mattes. What I like about this is the palette is like it flips all the way back, so you're not having to worry about like, or it's so when you're like doing your makeup, you can set it completely flat down on your vanity, your desk, whatever, which is really nice, and I like that about it. And I really like the packaging on this. I have heard of Mellow Cosmetics before. I just cannot think of where or when. Like, for some reason, I think it was in a Boxycharm, but I could be completely mistaken. So, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and we'll talk about the lipstick. So the lipstick looks like the bottom down here. The top's not dry yet because it's a pretty thick layer, but the bottom down here looks like it's drying, but it still has like a sheen to it. Like it's not going to dry like super matte, like it still transfers onto my finger. So this will be interesting to wear, and I want to see like the formula, like if I put it on my lips, if they're going to get crusty, flaky, kind of like gross, you know, so I'll definitely have to try this out for you. I'm thinking about coming out with, or making like a video of like palettes and, or using the products from like Boxycharm, like the face sugar box and all that stuff, and I have a bunch of stuff in here that I still need to try, so comment down below if you want me to do a video like that. So I just want to show you, this is all the stuff we got in the palette. We got this brow definer brush, which is pretty nice. I don't use these kind of brushes that often. This treasure chest by Mellow Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and then this liquid semi-matte lipstick. So I think overall this bag was pretty awesome this time. I like that you get a brush every time, but sometimes it might be nice to get like something else. Like, I guess this is only my second box, so I don't know if you get a brush every single time. But so far, the 2 bags I've gotten a brush, which is awesome. You can never have enough brushes, apparently. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, just comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys!